guys, Coachella is here. I'm so excited.
And we are breaking down all of the best dressed people from the Des. It's pretty much just a collection of glitter.
And really, really famous people.
Okay, so we're starting things off with a bang, Beyonce. So she's obviously wearing this like really pretty yellow color. I think yellow's a really good color on her.
She's also like rocking this amazing custom sweatshirt in this like gold yellow with the Beta Delta Kappa.
Kind of sorority, fraternity, Greek letter thing going on, which I think is super fun. The high-waisted denim cutoff shorts, which are like a must for any music festival.
I don't know what's on the sleeves, but I'm digging it. And those boots.
Glitter, like moonshine
I love
boots.
them. That is definitely festival gear.
But
They're fringe. I love it. They're like holographic fringe. They're so good.
And
They
her
deserve it.
signature locks. I love her hair.
I like her with a little bit more of a blondness in her hair, so I'm really digging that.
Everything head to toe, from the wig to the crop sweatshirt to just being like, I'm gonna wear little short shorts, to whatever those iridescent, crazy, holographic boots are. I am here for it.
Second look, this is another one of her performance looks. This is kind of based off Nefertiti.
She was like known for being the wife of a king who was like more important than the king. Kind of like her and Jay-Z.
I just want to know, how heavy is that? That's what
Has
I was
to
thinking.
be.
Like, just walking with that many accessories alone is cardiovascular exercise.
Yeah, and I love the earrings. The earrings are massive.
Parting the
love
seas of her
the
fans.
see-through boots. I don't think it rained at Coachella, but just in case, she was prepped.
They're so see-through, I didn't even notice them.
Yeah, just in case.
A cane has never looked so good.
But that cape, I mean, the overall look is great, and obviously it's Beyonce, like she cannot be no basic.
I have goosebumps. And it's freezing in this room, but I swear to you they're from Beyonce.
It looks so terrifying and beautiful and amazing.
You know, it is funny. It's not that practical to wear at Coachella, but I bet you next year everyone's gonna be wearing this.
We're just gonna see a bunch of people with these really heavy capes
And canes.
Oh, Beyonce did it!
Yeah.
Little Kylie Jenner. Okay, the pink wig, like, I'm kind of into it. The wig probably gets super hot at Coachella. You know what I mean? Your head
didn't
is
think about
probably sweating.
I don't want to think about that.
It has a part that matches her scalp. Like, and not just a little part. Like a big part.
It's pretty.
I'm all about hair color. That's very vibrant. Like, I kind of had to blink a few times.
It is. It goes nicely with the flesh-colored skin jacket she is wearing.
And I love how it looks. Totally youthful. I mean, her wig game is strong. Like these are not your grandma's wigs.
I like that she wears stuff that we can actually buy, even though I would never look like this in it, because she also just had a baby like 5 minutes ago.
I have just extensions in,
And it's hot.
I was dying, so I can't. And like a hat, I would take the hat off every 2 seconds to fan myself. That is commitment.
Not practical at all. I feel like you'd be sweating your hair. I'm surprised she doesn't have like drip sweating all over her face.
But it's Coachella. It is not
It's
about being
Coachella.
practical. It's about what you're wearing.
And it's
That
about
is
the,
all that
and
matters.
It's about the gram. It's about getting that
It's
picture.
about the Instagram.
It's about getting that picture.
Oh, it glows in the dark.
Ooh.
This is just her showing how neon it is. She's like, it's not pink, it's not
neon.
hot pink, it's neon.
This is a very pretty color.
It's just really bright. Like, if you weren't expecting it, it's like, whoa!
I would wear this to Coachella, maybe.
I can't even tell what she's wearing.
So she's wearing kind of like a crop top bandeau top with like a strap across. I think it's fanny pack.
I think
And
it
it's
is a
going
fanny
across
pack.
her chest, which like
Oh my
fanny packs,
God.
like yes to fanny
Now
packs.
it's a shoulder fanny pack. That's the new thing.
Yeah, it's a-
Coachella
yeah.
2019.
Boobs are really big. Am
Really
I allowed to say that?
nice.
She looks, whoa!
That side angle though.
She posted like 3 photos looking exactly like this, where her shirt was just slightly tilted somewhere else. I liked all of them aggressively.
And here we have Millie Bobby Brown looking fab. Okay, she's such a denim fan, just like me. I love the fact that she's wearing this, but like it's sort of a customized version of overalls because the straps are a little chain.
Her little jumpsuit is so adorable. It has like gold like buttons on it. She is so cute. And she does not look 13 anymore.
And it's a fun, sophisticated festival version of 14, but it's still 14.
Yeah.
She's got the rest of her years to dress like Kylie.
Totally.
Although 14 seems to be a little young to be at Coachella, but you know
But
what?
listen, if our parents would have taken us, I would have been there for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Like I
It was
said,
confidence.
totally. I would wear this to Coachella for
I think I have
sure.
this, but it was probably a hand-me-down.
Although I do worry for her that she would have gotten sunburned, or like when metal gets hot and you're in the sun, it's not a good choice. Like I hope she was safe.
It will sear holes in your body.
I'm not such like a jean jumpsuit fan, but it's really cute.
It's not flattering for my hips,
Exactly,
but it's
same.
perfect on her.
Yes.
The other accessory I love that she was rocking in this photo that I wish I could find would be the necklace that spells out her name, Millie, which is, I mean, with a name like Jocelyn, they never make a necklace like that, so I was like, oh, that's cute.
You gotta get it custom made, girl.
And then of course we have Millie Bobby Brown in these like oversized light pink or pastel or millennial pink, shall I say, pants, which looks great on her. She's rocking the creeper glasses, which I'm a big fan of. I do have
Prescription
some.
or choice?
Mine are prescription. I don't know what hers are, but they look great.
I like the little rings. She's so cute.
And her makeup is very, very subtle.
Very natural.
Very clean.
Ooh, back braids with more rings.
I like it.
I'm a fan.
Wait, how many outfit changes did she have? I feel like we've seen like 5 outfits from Millie Bobby Brown.
All right, Gigi Hadid. I really like this look on her. Like, I like that she's keeping it a little more understated.
I'm gonna be simple, but I'm gonna look great in my body chains. I'm gonna let my image speak for itself. She's such a pretty girl.
So if you squint, it looks like she's not wearing a top. Like, close your eyes a little bit, and she's like topless with no nipples.
And that's the girl from Tone It Up.
Oh my gosh, Katrina and Karina.
I don't know which one it is, but I saw her at the porta potties and she looked this good in person.
100.
And I like that she kind of put the ponytail up, really natural makeup. The body jewelry, I think, is really like adds something extra to it.
Yeah, that kind of like classes it up a little bit, lets you know that if you're squinting, she's not naked.
And you know what, this year at Coachella, I feel like it's such a trend to wear these crop tops and mom jeans.
It's much nicer to like sit in the grass when you're not in shorts, because like doesn't get as itchy.
I agree to disagree. If I don't have to wear pants, like I'm sad that I'm back in real life and I have to wear a bra again.
I would 100% wear Gigi's Coachella look to work, or to Coachella, or to brunch. Probably with the sweatshirt, because I get cold, but this is effing cute.
I would never wear that outfit because I like to eat food, and the minute that I got gassy, I would regret everything.
Cardi B.
Cardi B, you are Cardi B.
Queen Cardi B. Who doesn't love Cardi B right now? So here's the thing about her look. She is rocking an all-white look. She's obviously very pregnant. She's not ashamed of it. She's showing it off, but she has dressed her pregnancy. I mean, like, she's still sexy.
She's amazing. She twerked, she gyrated in this, and she's pregnant.
Why are you acting like this is like a hard outfit to move in? It's like
I'm saying she wore the perfect thing for her to be able to twerk and gyrate in.
No, it does allow for a lot of movement.
I think a lot of women, when they're pregnant, they try to find fashion choices that sort of hide it. She's like, no, I'm gonna lean into it. I'm gonna look like a sexy ass Humpty Dumpty, and she did. She looks great.
So you see that little oversized coat she was wearing? Eventually she took it off. She just ended up in her bustier, rocking her diamond chains, which I'm sure they're diamonds at this point.
Oh yeah, probably is.
She wasn't flaunting it. She wanted everybody to focus on her and her music and not her baby bump, which I totally respect. But don't you get kind of like TLC vibes with this hair?
Oh my
Very
gosh.
90s, like, or like a Spice Girls vibe.
The crazy rhinestone nails. I don't know how she functions with them, but they work for her. Then
I hope she doesn't wear contact lenses.
right, she would literally rip her eyeballs out.
Her eye makeup was like kind of what we did too, so I felt very like I'm on the same level as Cardi B's Pinterest page, you know?
Kendall Jenner, I didn't even know she was at Coachella. Did you?
I didn't see like any of these people while we were there.
So here she is hanging out at the Revolve house, and Kendall is sporting.
Oh, that's why we didn't see her. We didn't get invited to the Revolve
Awkward.
house.
But this year, I feel like Angelina Jolie Tomb Raider vibes.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, it's tough, it's almost androgynous, but I think it makes her even sexier.
Yeah.
She's rocking the cargo pants and she has the fanny pack, but not around her waist, but
Not
like,
around her fanny area.
No, she has it here, which is such a trend, by the way.
Really?
Yes!
I thought
have you
that's a
not-
thing that like people did when I was in like middle school.
Why did it take us 2 decades to figure out that
Like,
you don't
that's-
have
I
to
know.
wear the fanny pack
I
here?
know.
You can wear it here.
Totally.
How many places can you wear it?
Really subtle makeup.
Yeah.
Like literally just looks like she has like a lot of highlighter on.
I feel like we didn't get the memo that crazy Coachella makeup wasn't in this year.
She just relies on her natural beauty. She doesn't want to paint over it. Yeah, she looks great. I want that. And also, I feel like we could afford this one. Like, this is available at H&M.
And then we have Hailey Baldwin rocking these white sunglasses. You're a fan of these sunnies,
I
aren't
do.
you?
The white cat eye sunglasses have been on a lot of people at Coachella, and I'm into it. I think they're cool. I think they're retro. I think they're fun.
This picture could be from the 50s.
I 100% was thinking
You
the same
can't
thing.
tell. She looks timeless right here.
This is also a big trend at Coachella, the teeny tiny glasses. Kanye told Kim she can't wear big glasses anymore, and all of us are following directions.
The pearl earrings at Coachella, the fact that her crop top is actually a lace bra, which is hella sexy. I loved her version of this classic Coachella outfit.
I like the overall look. Again, effortless.
She would have to worry though if she's standing next to Millie Bobby Brown with her claw nails and those dangly earrings. Like that's something waiting to happen.
Dangerous.
Those are big earrings.
But the cat eye sunglasses are really cute. The big earrings, cute high-waisted jeans. Like, yeah.
This is a goal. I would wear this to brunch.
For sure.
I think she looks super cool. She's one of those people that's very effortlessly like, hello, do you want to hang out with me? Too bad, I'm too cool.
What's good about this is it looks legitimately desert inspired. It looks disgusting, dirty, full of sand, full
Very
of
Mad
sweat.
Max.
Very Mad Max.
Also, it's kind of dominatrix.
Yeah.
Which I think is super sexy.
It's like subtle
She's
dominatrix.
got the world's best stomach. Like,
Yeah.
I'm going to think of this picture when I go to the gym, if I ever go to the gym.
And again, she's just in jeans, just very comfortable. I mean, that's what it's about, you guys. Going out, enjoying yourself, listening to the music,
Wearing
rocking out.
sunscreen.
Wearing sunscreen. She clearly tans.
Now we're talking about the other Hadid sister, Bella Hadid.
And then Bella Hadid
Is just wearing a ruffle.
You know, at the top, it reminds me of a Tootsie Pop wrapper.
I love the shirt. I think it just nestles the girls in perfectly. But the jeans, to me, are the star of this look because they're like a great wash, but unique enough to be like a fashion statement at Coachella.
It's like a little pattern on it.
Are those plaid jeans? Are they jeans with plaid?
I think pattern jeans, correct.
And I love her hair's just plain, her makeup's plain. Again,
She has a headband.
it's a headband.
Her headband's back?
Yes, I love headbands.
Oh
I
my
hope
gosh,
they're back.
so good, so helpful.
I love that she like threw on a headband. I think that's really cute and adorable.
very
But
cute.
don't you feel like you could just see her wearing this any day of the week? I feel like both the Hadid sisters could have gone a little more Coachella-ella with their style. I feel like, I mean, they wear this all the time.
I
obsessed.
love this outfit, and I have given it a name. It is 50 Shades of Brown.
Rihanna took it to another level.
She is a dust storm.
We have been talking about them just wearing bras, but in this case, she did not wear a bra at all. I think she's wearing pasties, although it kind of looks like she put a henna tattoo over her
I think
nipple.
she has henna on her areola. I'm gonna say it, henna areola.
I actually think this is probably the most comfortable outfit you can wear at Coachella because there's so much room and so much rouging. You could sit in any position and no one would know if you had like a roll here or a roll there because your entire outfit is so like rolled up.
This isn't even really an outfit. It is just a large piece of
sheer-
material
she
that
got
she
it.
has like toga tied to herself. And it's Rihanna, so she can.
Rihanna's similar to Beyonce in the sense that you could be like, here's like a sheer brown sheet. Make it fashion.
That
and
is
she's like,
definitely
okay.
what happened.
And that's what she did.
Rihanna clearly dressed for the occasion because it's hot there, so she's wearing this like sheer curtain wrapped around and she called it a day.
And the boots are pretty awesome. Not really like good for stomping around, but she probably has a golf cart.
Her boots are giving me Harry Potter sorting hat vibes.
And the boots are just like out of this
Right?
world. Like they literally look like you could fit like a body in the.
Well, because she's got thighs.
I know how bad my feet hurt after the weekend, and like I don't think Rihanna was like walking a lot of miles,
Just
but
being
like
carried.
it seems like a lot of like loose fabric that could create a lot of blisters.
I feel like they might be warm in there, those boots.
Maybe she has air conditioners inside. She probably
course
thinks
she
of
does.
everything.
Then we have Kourtney Kardashian, who obviously the only thing that matters in this look is comfort and beauty.
Wait, is this her like look?
Yeah, it's her look. So wait, so the glam is all over the face, so she looks amazing, but she's just wearing a t-shirt, comfortable.
Is Courtney just wearing a large Bob Marley shirt?
Is she wearing a large t-shirt?
Yep.
Because that's what I wish I was wearing at Coachella this year. It looks so comfortable.
And it looks like Bob Marley's on it.
which is fitting.
You know, she's that friend who's like, I'm just here for the music.
Yeah,
you know?
as you should
Like I
be.
have Bob Marley on my shirt. I'm like not really doing my hair. I'm just here.
Most women at her age with that many children, you start to have this conservative style, and she's like, hell no, I'm gonna wear whatever the hell she's wearing in her hair, and I dig it.
I feel like she would just show up to parties and be like, whatever, children, I've been here a million times, I don't care anymore.
Yeah, and I think she's drinking tea. Hot tea.
She's a mom.
Why is she at Coachella then? I don't like it.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber's actually rocking a trend that I feel like I saw everywhere on every guy at Coachella. It was the matching Hawaiian print sets.
He looks like he kind of got lost in Hawaii and ended up at Coachella.
It is all the atrocious things that I don't like the headband thing on the guy and the long socks and like I don't know what the hell that shirt is, but somehow you put it all on the same person with the right smile.
Here's what I love about Justin Bieber's look. He's wearing the typical dad Hawaiian shirt, or like the stuff that dad wears during
But
vacations.
not only the dad Hawaiian shirt, the dad Hawaiian Bermuda shorts, and then to make it all come together, provided the dad dance moves all festival long.
Justin definitely marches to the beat of his own drum when
That's
it
what I
comes to
respect.
fashion, and
true.
this is that, and I love it.
I'm into it. Babes, I think you did Coachella right.
Walmart Yodel Boy, aka Mason Ramsey.
Oh, the Yodel Boy, I am so sad. I missed his performance because he is really having the time of his life right now. He's a big pop cultural icon.
He's so cute. I mean, he had to wear his signature look, obviously.
In some ways, he embodies everything that Coachella isn't, but then at the same time, he embodies everything that Coachella should be.
I really liked how Mason, the Walmart Yodel Boy, has really stayed on brand. He hasn't let his fame get to him. He's not like, oh, I have to be trendy
I
now.
was a little
oh, I need to
concerned,
wear
though.
something festival super. No, he's like, this is my look. I know what works for me. I know it works for my body. This is who I am.
I just hope he knows that he can never like go anywhere wearing something other than this outfit. Like this is his outfit. This is his uniform for life.
He is definitely doing a look that I did not see anywhere else at Coachella. He's like 2 weeks early for Stagecoach, and he's got on a bow tie.
Next year, I'm gonna call it right now. Everyone's gonna be wearing cowboy hats and bow ties at Coachella.
How weird would it be if you just looked out on a crowd and it was all just people wearing that outfit?
Yeah, actually, Halloween is probably gonna be full of this.
And then we have our very own Clevver crew.
Girls, you showed up at Coachella and you represented us so well.
Oh, I think I know this
Did
girl.
we make the list?
What?
Oh my gosh.
We look like a girl group.
We look very Coachella.
It looks like a Coachella ad that a bunch of people would be like, these stupid white girls.
They look beautiful. They look like every version
Yes,
of Coachella in
totally,
one.
totally.
They look like a team. And you know what the best accessory at Coachella is?
Your friends?
A smile.
And a smile.
Lauren looks so ethereal. You look like a golden goddess. Lily has underboob. Jill is like living her best life
Comfy.
ever. Her hair has so much glitter.
I know. I don't think she realized how much glitter it had until after it was all done, and then she was like, I'm gonna own it.
I love Lauren's kind of flowy maxi dress. You've got the
Yes.
sheerness. Same with Erin. I feel like that's a really good road to go down in terms of Coachella fashion because you're kind of covering your legs a little bit. I don't know, like you might get sunburn or something.
I love Jill's statement necklace. I think it is so cool. It's
so
funky.
Coachella.
She's wearing this like basic black top, like regular cutoffs, like comfortable shoes, and then she's like, I'm gonna wear this awesome necklace.
And she had tons of glitter in her hair, which I love, like
oh,
in the
glitter.
park.
Oh, who wears glitter? Why would anybody wear glitter?
All right, you guys, it's time for the best. Who was your favorite person at Coachella?
Rihanna, are you kidding me? That she literally is wearing a brown sheet and like boots that you could live in.
That's true. That's true. I'll give you that.
Yeah.
But also, I'm gonna go in the other direction. HAILEY Baldwin, because she did nothing special, but made it look so good.
I'm honestly gonna go with Millie Bobby Brown.
She was very, very cute. I loved hers.
I feel like she got all the different kinds of looks
Yeah.
for Coachella. She hit each day differently.
Oh, okay. Collectively, I agree. Millie Bobby Brown had the best overall entire weekend of outfits. Just favorite outfit, look. I really liked Hailey Baldwin's like lingerie top. Not the black one so much.
Like the 50s looking one.
Yeah, like that looks like literally I could pull it off with a Victoria's Secret version. So that's why I like it.
I like it too. Good choice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick Cardi B because if you're wearing a cape at Coachella, I just am a huge fan of that choice. And she's pregnant and she performed and she looked good and flawless while doing it. So to me, she's my fashion queen at Coachella.
Okay, I'm gonna go out on a limb, not a limb at all actually, because Beyonce and witnessing that fashion, witnessing that moment, I feel like for sure will go down in the historical books for all future generations. And if you can wear a crop sweatshirt and booty shorts and still be the queen of the world, you know you have it going on.
I loved Beyonce's outfit with the sweatshirt. I thought it was, as I said, super practical. A sweatshirt, it was at night, she could have gotten cold, but it was still iconic. It had her own logo on it. She was wearing super awesome cutoffs, and then she was rocking those fringe holographic boots, which to me are just such a fun, random festival statement piece.
Okay, you guys, so those are our favorites. Honestly, there were so many more, but like, who cares about our opinions? We want to hear from you.
Yeah, weigh in the comments. Also, subscribe to our channel because anytime we can do dirty laundry, we want to do it. So, and you want to get those updates too. So, subscribe, please.
Click to the left to see Lunchy Break from day 3 of Coachella, and click to the right to see our Coachella episode of Beauty Break and What We Packed.